Hello, traders, and welcome to the PL Capital Market Review. My name is Paul, and I want to look at oil today. It's becoming a pain in my side, so let's take a look at the chart. So, in my last video, I had changed my wave count because I thought that we had three waves down here, and I thought this was A and this was B, and then they were going to make an ending diagonal, come down and break this low one more time for the C wave. But I said that this price action in here wasn't looking like an ending diagonal. So I changed it and I said that now I see, we got five waves here, and so now we should be making a bigger correction in here before we resume down. But the price action today is making me re-look at this once again. So if we look at this, from here we got three waves. So here's 1, 2, and 3, and then we had 1, 2. They didn't break that top, and then came down here in 3. And so far, what we have is there's a little running flat here. So you got 1, 2, 3 up there, and then you got 1, 2, and 3 down there. And then in my last video, I said, based on this price action that was coming up here really strong, that doesn't look like they're going to go down. And I said, if they break this previous high here of 80.62, that will verify that it's not going to make an ending diagonal for one more leg down. But of course, what do? They break it by 32 cents, and then completely reject hard. So now I'm wondering just what the heck is going on. So for me, this zone right here in between these two is just, it's a no trade zone for me. It's it's right in the middle, and it could do one of two things. I mean, it's either going to go up and make a bigger correction, or we are still going down in an ending diagonal. So I think, at least for me, not until you take out 80.94 or you take out 73.80 do you have a sense of direction. Because if we're going up, so if this is five waves that ended here and we're making a correction, then I mean we do have three waves, so that I guess that could be all the correction, but that seems really short and small. So I would think that'd be 1, 2, 3, and then this be 1, 2, 3. So that'd be something like A came down here for B, and now you should be coming up here for C. So I would think then that, that this would be like 1, and then they came down here for 2. This would be 3. This would be 4. Come up for 5. Probably like just a leading diagonal. So 1, 2, 3. It's got to hold here for 4. Go back up for 5. Now whether it breaks the top or not is irrelevant. But give you 5 waves, so that'd be a leading diagonal. Give you a correction, and then resume up. So that'd be 1, 2, and then give you 3, 4, and 5, and then resume down. So that's the bullish scenario of what needs to happen. So obviously this 73.80 has to hold. If it is going down in an ending diagonal, and so instead of this being 5, it's 3, and then this 3 waves was 4, then it could be that this is 1, 2, 3 for 1, and then they've made 3 waves here, 3, 3, 3, so like a WXY. That would be 2. So now if they come and break this low, then I think they're coming down for 3, and whether they break the low or not, it's irrelevant. Give you 4 and then give you 5, and that'd be, well, then this all would be still just the first part of the ending diagonal, and then give you another wave up and wave down. So that's the only two counts that I can see being played here, and it's just a matter of which one breaks, 73.80 or 80.94. Right now I'm still leaning towards this going up, but it would not surprise me that if they're going to take it out, even with a pretty bullish oil inventory number today, it just sold off hard. So I would think we'll know, in the next day, maybe even 2 days, we should know the direction. One of these should resolve itself here. So that is what I'm looking at. So let me know your thoughts. Well, you guys got any directional bias on this one? As I said, I'm gonna wait until one of these two break before I can make the next move. All right, that's what I've got. Thanks for watching. Good luck to everyone. Talk to you in the next video.